This short video features Xcite energy and technical analysis of it. It's been in an uptrend and it's formed a nice trend line. Basically, we've been bouncing off of it. Any touches of that trend line has been a good buying opportunity and has produced a rally higher. Now, what we do in this video is actually highlight some selling points where you might want to take some profit off the table. The first point we've identified is 110. You can see how the market's basically touched it. It touched the average there. Basically, when we're underneath it, sometimes we find a resistance, sometimes we find a support when it's above it. As you can see here, we get below it and we struggle to beat that £1.10. When we do get above it, we back test it. We back tested it again, and since then the market's gone up. What we anticipate is the market will carry on rallying, and we've got a price target of 125 short term on Xcite Energy. And that is basically what we believe will happen in Xcite Energy. If you look at 125, the amount of times that we've bounced off of it, there's two tests there as a resistance and a third one. What we anticipate happening, we struggle to see why it wouldn't hit 125. If you are a shareholder or a trader, you maybe want to consider taking some profit off of 125. 110 has been a brilliant buying opportunity, and 125 at the moment, because we're underneath it, will provide some sort of resistance. Now with the rally, the thing is it happened so quick, it's hard to really identify any resistances on the way up. But we've got the sort of 153 area and the 125 as well. And basically what we are anticipating is in the short term, the very short term, Xcite Energy will test that 125. You'll probably get a bit of a pullback, but eventually Xcite Energy, we do anticipate hitting the 152, 153 area. That is what we anticipate. That's what analysis tells us. But at the moment, we're trading at about 115, and we do anticipate, as we said, 125 as being an area where you can maybe reduce your positions and buy back on any pullback. So what we've actually touched on now is 110 is quite a strong support. We've bounced off of it twice, so we anticipate what will probably happen is the market may take off and not give you a chance to buy at 110. If it does, that is certainly a buying opportunity. 125 is where you probably want to take some profit off the table. Depending on your position, if you're a long-term shareholder, then maybe what we would anticipate is the higher resistance of around £1.50. That's probably where you want to take some money off the table, because you'll certainly get a pullback from that. If we zoom out of this chart, you can actually see how many times it's bounced off of 110 or 125 or 150. Those are the main targets. I mean, we've spent some time charting this, and we keep coming back to these horizontal supports or resistances. So if Xcite Energy does continue its uptrend, 150 is a long or maybe a medium-term target. If you do get a chance to sell there, we would take it. If you look at the blue average, that's the 200-day moving average. Quite often the market will find a support or resistance at that. It consolidated for quite some time, and then what's actually happened is it broke above it. Now that is a bullish sign, and we anticipate the bull trend will continue in Xcite Energy at least short to medium term. And just to let you guys know, we are called We Make Mints, and we are on Facebook. If you search for We Make Mints, you will see what we've been uploading. We've been following quite a few different charts. We posted a chart on SSE today, and we've been following the price of gold. If you like us, we will show you when we will be trading Xcite Energy, as well as shares like BPC. So give us a like on Facebook.